Hello and welcome to this short video today where I just want to address a frequently asked question, which is where do I buy my replacement parts? So take today's example, which is a TV with a blue screen. So on the screen now we're just in the YouTube app and you can see that there's a blue tinge to the whole screen. So this indicates we need new LED backlights. So let's see how we find the new replacement parts. We just need to turn the TV the other way around. So I've just turned it off first. So by turning it the other way around, we can now see the TV model number. On the back, it's a Toshiba, and the model number is here. So let's put this into eBay and see what comes up. So I'm typing in the TV model number, followed by LED backlights, and we look at the first few hits on the eBay search. We take the first one and then scroll down to look for the exact TV model number that we're after. I've highlighted it here. Having confirmed that these lights are compatible with our TV, we can add it to our basket and then wait for it to arrive. Just like that, the parcel has arrived, and let's fit this into the TV. I've skipped most of the boring parts, taking the TV apart and gone straight to disassembling the old LED strips, and then we'll stick on the replacement ones. Before reassembly, we can plug in the power cable just to ensure that our LED strips are working properly and that there are no blue shades to it. Turning on the switch at the wall and it lights up perfectly. Now it's time to put it back together. Having reassembled the whole TV, we can turn it on and we can see the Toshiba logo on startup looks absolutely fine. This is a normal level of blueness to the screen. After waiting a while for the homepage to load, we can see our apps and then we can select YouTube and try out a test video to see it all working perfectly. Sound works and the image is perfect, so this is repaired and thanks for watching.